What is international trade? International trade is the exchange of goods and services between countries. This type of trade gives rise to a world economy in which price or supply and demand affect and are affected by global events. Political change in Asia, for example, could result in increase in the cost of labor, thereby increasing the manufacturing cost for an American sneakers company based in Malaysia, which would then result in an increase in the price that you have to buy their tennis shoes at your local mall. A, de- a decrease in the cost of labor, on the other hand, would result in you having to pay less for your new shoes. Trading globally gives consumers and countries the opportunity to be exposed to goods and services not available in their own countries. Almost every kind of product can be found on the international markets: food, clothes, spare parts, oil, jewelry, wine, stock, currency, and water. Services are also trend tourism, banking, consulting, and transportation. A product that's sold to the global market is an export, and a product that is bought from the global market is an import. Imports and exports are accounted for in a country's current account in the balance of payment. Increase efficiency of trading globally. Global trade allows wealthy countries to use their resources, whether labor, technology, or capital, more efficiently. Because countries are endowed with different assets and natural resources, land, labor, capital, and technology. Some countries might produce the same goods more efficiently and therefore sell it more cheaply than other countries. If a country cannot efficiently produce an item, it can obtain the item by trading with another country that can. This is, this is known as specialization in international trade. Let's take a simple example. Country A and country B would produce cotton sweaters and wine. Countries A produce 10 sweaters and 6 bottles of wine a year, while country B produce 6 sweaters and 10 bottles of wine a year. Both can produce a total of 16 units. Country A, however, takes their horse to produce the 10 sweaters and 2 horse to produce the 6 bottles of wine, total of 5 horse. Country B, on the other hand, takes on horse to produce 10 sweaters and 3 horse to produce 6 bottles of wine, total of 4 horse. But these two countries realized that they could produce more by focusing on those products which, with which they have a comparative advantage. Country A then begins to produce only wine and country B produces only cotton sweaters. Each country can now create a specialized output of 20 units per year and trade equal proportion of both products. As such, each country now has access, access to 20 units of both products. We can say then that for both countries, the opportunity cost of producing both products is greater than the cost of specializing. More, more specifically, for each country. The opportunity cost of producing 16 units of both sweaters and 1 is 20 units of both products after trading. Specialization reduces their opportunity cost and therefore maximize their efficiency in acquiring the goods they need. With the greater supply, the price of each product would decrease, thus giving an advantage to the end customer as well.